I shall find you chachamu. But I master Kuti Rock Factory. I would own ya. Parking the so. When I do parking the swap, for parking at in Abra. So small bridge view of Upper Bridge now. For some rights, Rock Factory no. Your friend me, Yasuli, and I'm just so. The Bibia, Love Netting, Upper Wood over Bibia, Babia, say if I come out Piano. Jack or some account. You would do such a mamma. Anytime we are 1 night, anytime we are our block of flyer, or some kaya, or from Zakutia, or some cano. Someone to see mouth. I come up and any 32. The Jamia do not try. Put on the little block. Concrete, a bit my plus in here 84. We say Cantica. Simaf, and it's pricing 105. Adding by air concrete, the chop block. I was a chop block piano, or Daurma. Over to my bed, then I will have a Toby. I got chop block. Where didn't come out. It was all your concrete, the same thing. You were 30 put the two or do the same thing. Or your concrete, or chop block. The lay block in a room way 32 no. I am 94 32 84 4 see I don't be able to I am a piano with my arm see I can find a down it is a the line or was a good friend or some canoe. No, not daily. Come on. The baby are born yet. Baby over problem and some baby was a Onyabiano, a webrow. The boy me. I'm in a training or no, didn't know. The Onya, where I have Dravano, as I am it, as our job blogging it in the the fun about you say, it's Onya. Ha. Yeah, come on. Madame Saw, you never bad one. Yawa, and then saw whenever baby are on bar, or cold war, but there, which is what, Nina, Kama, Nina, because of Block was saying some long soup, the yard, your home. There were payment logo. What I said, tell me so, Unyabia, with my friend. Only a friend, the best in for Prana, the best in Bobby, the piano.
So that was Yaya Sule for you. You know, the guy managing Mr. Kwete's block factory. I'm glad that we finally got him on camera. Actually, Yaya Sule is a subscriber on the channel who, you know, got in touch with us and you know, we start working with him. He's not the only person that we have from the channel. We have so many guys who we are working with who are from, you know, this channel. They watch our videos, they like what we were doing, they got in touch, and then, you know, we started working together. We have people from Nigeria, you know, all over, you know. So Gigo Production Group, we are growing. It's not only about we building for subscribers, but also employing some of our subscribers that understand what we are doing and they want to be part. You know, the work is a lot. You know, in my local language we'll say ejumaneso, and we cannot do all. Mr. Kwete cannot do all the job, so we need help. If you know you can do the job, you know, if you want to learn, if you don't have the skills and you want to learn, we need your help. You see the block factory is always empty. Immediately you know, they cut new blocks, is gone. When there are new blocks, it's gone. You know, the work is big, and we would need people on board. Like, it's not only about construction, you know, it's a whole lot involved. It's a whole production thing going on. Like, as I showed last year, you know, the rice farm, we have livestock, we have so many things going on. As you can see right there, that's Mr. Kwete's place. He has a bar that we'll call it like a chop bar, drinking spots, like as you see there right in front of you. That's what Mr. Kwite's run. So it's a whole lot of things that we are doing behind the scene, and at the right time we will start sharing. Everything I'm sharing here on the channel is not something I read in a book, or this is something that we are doing on the ground, like things happening. That's what I'm sharing. The experience I'm sharing are things which are happening. So this is a new site for Mr. Kwite. Like I said, we are growing, and this is in Chopoli near the affordable house. Like from this place to the affordable house we are just opposite the affordable house. We just share a road. Like this location is a top location. As I always tell you, when it comes to land when it comes to land in Pram, I know there are issues in Pram and Dowenya and those places, but trust me, I won't say I know people, but when we give you land, we know what we are giving you. Again, once again, in my channel, I showed you last 2 years we bought a land near Dawa, just opposite the Dawa industrial zone. I have videos of that, how we bought the land, how we started with the clearing of the land, the fence wall that we did over there. I've been sharing so many information on this channel. We have so many things coming up, trust me, like massive things. But I only want to share things that we've done, things that I have experienced, that I know it works for sure before I will start putting out there. But so far we are in the process, and so far it's going well. So this is Mr. Kwite's new block factory, just opposite the affordable housing. That is the junction, the affordable housing junction. If you are familiar with those areas, we know very soon they will come and complete the affordable house and put it on I think on sale. I think they already have price for it. I saw the new housing minister in the news recently. So we have hope that there's change coming in this area. That's why we managed to get this property for the block work, and also building materials, the same thing you saw, same thing. Maybe open another chop bar here, restaurant here. It's just close to the roadside. And another reason why we want to come here is because we have a lot of orders in this area. This is Chopoli, and Mr. Kwite does free delivery in Ningo Pampram district, Tema, Dowenya, Afienya. So the transportation is really killing him. So yeah, we have to get this location so that he could continue doing the free delivery for the customers. So if you are building around this area, the Ningo Pampram district, Tema, Afienya, Dowenya, take advantage of this. You can deal with him directly, so you don't have to send money to people that you have to put pressure on them, and they are just giving excuses and all that. If you deal with Mr. Kwite, everything is directly, and you know him on the channel, his delivery, what we've done here, using Mr. Kwite as our supplier. If you have a good relationship with him, it goes in your advantage. I mean, it's a mutual benefit. So just get in touch with Mr. Kwite yourself. And by the way, this is our sales madam, trying to promote and the channel and that kind of stuff.
Say it to me, I check the prices, send it out. Customers don't say maybe I'm the quality and affordable as well. Yeah, design blocks are. You see, we feel here. So design. You see, we feel here now. One person over 2 times. It need the floor. Come up, all the floor now. Very, very neat. And I am color. The price is 10 cedis. But we are 10 cedis. Buy the shop. Your colored ones is so. And now, if you make your caps, Como topado. Everyone may be. Let's see. With me, the share black and white. The share black and the share white. So it me design camera. I won't feel effort. We have 15 cities. Back we have 15 cities. We for flower pot to be and our flower bed. It means so early now only way for pave way now. Now what would the way no so attitude I come out and design I find we no share flowers I will I mean got throw away. We have 5 hole. The 5 hole no 6 cities. Sicily. Price when you know it comes with a free delivery around Tema. Any pam, you go pam. Who are you to Abbey? The winner, Afiena, Mobile, Chopoli, Lingo, Pram, Centra, free. It's last year, nearby channel, and my prices now, 82, so I said, I would until the CM assistance prices still are a very moderate and affordable. The way 6 inches low. 6 inches low, a moderate bra, 7 cities. 7 cities. And then you are 6 inches low, 7 cities. And now, 5 inches solid. 5 solid, 6 cities, 50 pesos. 6 cities, 50 pesos. And now, the buyer 6 solid now. And we are 7 cities, 50 pesos. 6 solid, we are 75. When I see, we are 7 cities, 50 pesos. We are 6 cities solid.
So I think this will bring us to the end of today's episode. We have a big announcement coming up very soon. I just want the document to be signed and everything, and then I will announce it to you what we are next, with Gigo Production Group. So thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next episode. Look at